Here's a 2018 Nissan 370Z. This is so much more than just a car. This is a legendary sports coupe that was designed for the true driving enthusiast. Feel the magical exhilaration from the 3.7-liter V6, providing not just power, but fuel efficiency as well. The wide stance and low center of gravity promise plenty of thrills, especially when rounding that sharp curve. Of course, high performance necessitates high protection as well, which is why this 370Z is equipped with a collection of safety features, including vehicle dynamic control with traction control to ensure a confident, enjoyable driving experience. Are you ready to be inspired? Then get behind the wheel of this 370Z today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.